In today's environment, people are being asked to innovate faster than ever before. The idea of digital transformation is no longer a novel concept. To advance or perhaps just stay relevant with your ideas, projects, workflows, or company and team culture, a transformation of how you think, communicate, collaborate, and plan for future goals and objectives is vital to staying ahead or falling behind. Even if you've never heard the term InnerSource to describe how teams build their software, you'll probably still recognize many of the principles behind it. In this course, you'll be introduced to these InnerSource practices that are backed by customer stories, where InnerSource is powering code at the world's most influential companies, who are actively using these principles to innovate and digitally transform their day-to-day workflows, collaboration, and cross-team contributions. Throughout this course, you'll build out a Git repository as an InnerSource toolkit, with content and resources to guide you and your team, as well as your organization, to kickstart your InnerSource adoption, which will lead to better communication, a larger contribution pool, and transparent and concise visibility into your projects for better metrics, outcomes, and sustainability. It's undeniable that open source has changed the way we all build software. This is evident now more than ever. These best practices that have made many large-scale open source projects so successful are quickly becoming the new norms for enterprise software development. It's time to harness the collective intelligence of your organization and build amazing proprietary software across industries, teams, and time zones. I'm Aaron Stewart, and this is Adopting an InnerSource Culture with GitHub.